Makita cordless planer. This is the DKP 180 from 2017. Supposed to be smoking. She has a smell, alright. She is definitely smoking. Doesn't sound burnt out though. No heat in the motor. All the heat is up here on the switch. So it looks like an electrical problem instead of a motor problem. So that might be repairable. She's done a good bit of work, and the brushes aren't burnt, nor is the holder. This might be the only problem. There we go. One cooked switch. And it's just a switch failure. And only the switch itself has failed. The wiring is all fine. Sometimes these things are very badly overloaded. They can melt and burn the contacts for the battery retainer and melt the wiring. But that has only damaged the switch. So one new switch should fix this up. At €25 for a switch, this repair is not going to break the bank anyway. The wires aren't even burnt or anything. So it's just the switch that's failed. Sometimes you can fail and burn up the wires too. Then you have to cut them and strip them back a little bit and makes them shorter. Sometimes they'd be too short to actually fit then. This one just seems to have blown inside. So that is rocking back and forth. So the middle pin should be connected to this one or this one. And it looked like there's actually shorted across to both of these. So it's trying to break at the same time as run. That's gone anyway. And that's the new one on. Straight swap. Push down your wires again and put on your switch. You're good to go. parts are. One Makita cordless planer with a burnt up switch replaced. Nice simple fix, only €25 for the part.